Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Shiva is called the Trinetra, means the three-eyed god. Shiva is Adi Yogi, the first guru of yoga. Shiva and meditation are inseparable. So, his third eye, also called the Agya Chakra, is activated and is the indication of the immense yogic energy, only which Shiva has and no one else. It is said that Lord Shiva opens his third eye only in extreme cases and wherever opened caused destruction. But how many times has Shiva opened his third eye? Shiva is eternal, so no one can give the answer for the total number. We can only recall some instances from Shiv Puran and other Hindu mythology stories.
When Lord Shiva was very furious on the death of his wife Sati, it is believed that at that time he opened his third eye. He went into deep meditation after her death. Even when Sati was reborn as Parvati, he did not come out of his meditation. Meanwhile, a demon called Tarkasur praised Lord Brahma and got a boon in return. The boon was that he could only be killed by the son of Shiva. As Sati was no more, Tarkasur knew that he was immortal now. Tarkasur went on to take over Swarg, that is heaven, and wanted to rule the heaven. So, all the gods decided to send Lord Kamadev as a messenger to disrupt Lord Shiva's meditation. Then, in order to break Lord Shiva's meditation and wake him up, Kamadev had struck sugar-coated arrow of love towards him. It did wake Lord Shiva up, but he was so angry at Kamadev. Lord Shiva opened his third eye and burned him to ashes. This left a lot of destruction in the nature. Once Devi Parvati closed Lord Shiva's eye, which resulted in the darkness of universe. And in order to give light and energy to the universe, Lord Shiva had to open his third eye. The heat which was caused by Lord Shiva's third eye resulted in sweating in Devi Parvati's hand, and the drop which fell on the ground transformed into a child, and he was named Andhak after it. Once, God Indra and Brihaspati went to Kailash to meet Lord Shiva, and Indra knew that Lord Shiva was about to test them by being an ascetic. After knowing this fact, Lord Indra tried to attack Lord Shiva with his Vajra, and Lord Shiva opened his third eye out of anger, but turned his third eye towards the ocean because of Brihaspati's prayers, and the ocean then gave birth to Jalandhar. In another story, Maharishi Pipalad was angered at the Indradev for killing his father, Maharishi Dadhichi. He wanted to kill all the gods as a revenge. He did tapasya for Lord Shiva and asked him to burn away all the gods. Shiva told him to control his anger, but when Pipalad insisted, Lord Shiva opened his third eye a bit. This left Pipalad surprised that his own body started burning. Lord Shiva then told him that his body itself was made up of gods. It is the gods that give power to your organs. After understanding his mistake, Pipalad changed his mind.
Lord Shiva's third eye represents his supreme command in universe and infinite knowledge he bears. That is all for today. If you like the video and to see more interesting videos in future, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share the video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.